LG portable air conditioners can experience drainage problems, especially in humid conditions. The most common sign is the FL error code, which indicates your water tank is full and needs attention. There are three primary causes of drainage issues: a full water tank, a blocked drain hose, or a malfunctioning pump if your unit is equipped with one. High humidity increases condensation, which can overwhelm the self-evaporation system that LG units rely on, causing water to accumulate faster than it can be processed. Before attempting any repairs, always turn off and unplug your air conditioner for safety. This is crucial when working with electrical appliances and water. First, locate and empty the water tank or reservoir. This should resolve the FL error code if the tank was simply full. Next, inspect the drain hose for kinks, clogs, or disconnections. Use a small brush, pipe cleaner, or compressed air to clear any blockages. The hose should be properly secured with a clamp. Check that the drain plug is fully inserted and properly sealed. Examine it for damage or wear and replace if necessary. Use a level to ensure the air conditioner sits flat. An unlevel unit can cause water to pool and overflow instead of draining properly. Clean the air filters regularly. Dirty filters restrict airflow, which can cause the unit to freeze up and create excess condensation when it thaws. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consider setting up continuous draining. Connect a 5/8-inch inner diameter drain hose to route water directly to a floor drain or bucket. This is especially useful in humid climates. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your LG portable air conditioner's drainage issues, advanced steps and proper maintenance become essential. First, inspect your unit for physical damage. Look for cracks in the water reservoir or other components that could cause leaks. Examine the drain plug area carefully, as shown here. Damaged seals or cracks around the drain plug are common causes of persistent leaks. If your unit has frozen coils, this requires immediate attention. Turn off the unit completely and allow the coils to thaw naturally. Frozen coils, like shown in this image, indicate airflow problems. After thawing, ensure proper airflow by cleaning filters and checking for blockages. For persistent issues involving internal components like pumps, coils, or low refrigerant, professional service is required. Contact LG customer support or a qualified technician for these complex issues. Attempting DIY repairs on internal components may void your warranty. Now let's cover preventative maintenance, which is the key to avoiding most drainage problems. Regular maintenance prevents most drainage issues. Here's your essential maintenance schedule. Every 2 weeks, clean your air filters as shown here. Dirty filters restrict airflow, leading to frozen coils and excess condensation. In humid conditions, empty and clean the water reservoir every 3 to 5 days to prevent overflow and bacterial growth. Monthly, inspect drain plug seals, ensure the unit is level, and clean the drain hose after heavy use periods. For continuous drainage in high humidity areas, proper hose setup with clamps is essential. When setting up continuous drainage, secure the hose with clamps as shown. Maintain a downward slope and check regularly for kinks or blockages. Proper off-season storage is crucial for maintaining your unit's longevity and preventing drainage issues next season. Before storage, run the unit in fan-only mode to dry internal components. Clean filters, drain all water, and store in a dry location to prevent mold and component damage. Following this maintenance schedule will prevent most drainage issues and extend your LG portable air conditioner's lifespan significantly.